Picture this. You're in a 19th century Russian market, and you see burly men swinging what looks like a cannonball with a handle. Fast forward to today, and that same piece of equipment is revolutionizing fitness worldwide. Welcome to the world of kettlebells. If you haven't yet swung a kettlebell, you're missing out on one of the most efficient workouts ever created. Kettlebells have a rich history and have been used for centuries to build strength and stamina. But why has this medieval-looking weight made such a strong comeback? It's simple. Kettlebell workouts are incredibly effective. They offer a unique combination of cardio, strength, and flexibility training. But what really happens to your body when you incorporate kettlebell workouts into your daily routine? The changes might surprise you. From boosting your physical capabilities to enhancing your mental well-being, the benefits are profound. Ready to dive in? Let's explore how daily kettlebell workouts can transform your body and mind. First and foremost, kettlebells are a powerhouse for building strength. Unlike traditional weights, the kettlebell's unique shape and uneven distribution require you to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This means that when you perform exercises like the kettlebell swing, you're not just working your arms, but also your core, legs, and back. Daily kettlebell workouts lead to significant gains in muscle mass and endurance. Imagine being able to carry heavy groceries, move furniture with ease, or simply feel more robust in your daily activities. The compound movements, such as snatches and cleans, enhance your functional strength, making everyday tasks simpler. Additionally, kettlebells improve your cardiovascular endurance. The high-intensity nature of kettlebell exercises gets your heart pumping, offering a cardio workout that rivals running or cycling. Over time, you'll find yourself less winded when climbing stairs or chasing after your kids. Consistency is key. By integrating kettlebell workouts into your daily routine, you'll build a rock-solid foundation of strength and stamina. Your body will become more resilient, capable of handling greater physical demands with ease. Beyond strength and endurance, kettlebells are remarkable for enhancing flexibility and balance. The dynamic movements required in kettlebell exercises demand a full range of motion, promoting joint health and flexibility. Exercises like the Turkish get-up or windmill stretch your muscles and improve your flexibility over time. Balance is another crucial aspect of physical fitness that kettlebells address effectively. Many kettlebell exercises require you to stabilize your body, which in turn strengthens your core and improves overall balance. Whether you're standing on one leg for a single-leg deadlift or balancing during a half-kneeling press, your stabilizer muscles get a workout too. This improvement in balance and flexibility translates into fewer injuries and better performance in other physical activities. Imagine being able to twist and turn without feeling that familiar strain in your back, or being less prone to slips and falls. Furthermore, improved balance and flexibility enhance your posture. With regular kettlebell exercises, you'll notice a reduction in stiffness and a more upright stance. This not only helps in physical activities but also in daily tasks, reducing the risk of chronic pain and injuries. If weight loss is your goal, kettlebells might just be your new best friend. The intense nature of kettlebell workouts means you burn a significant number of calories in a short period. A 20-minute kettlebell session can burn up to 400 calories. Kettlebell workouts also boost your metabolism. The combination of strength training and cardio increases your metabolic rate. This afterburn effect means your body continues to burn calories long after your workout. Consistent kettlebell training promotes muscle gain and fat loss. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest compared to fat tissue. Over time, you'll notice a leaner, more toned physique. Ever notice how a good workout can lift your mood? Daily kettlebell workouts release endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters. These chemicals help reduce stress and anxiety. Exercise also reduces cortisol, the body's stress hormone. High cortisol can lead to health issues like weight gain and high blood pressure. Regular kettlebell training keeps cortisol in check. The rhythmic nature of kettlebell exercises can have a meditative effect. Focusing on form and breathing clears your mind. Accomplishing a challenging workout boosts confidence and self-esteem. Section 6. Mental benefits, cognitive function. But the mental benefits of kettlebell workouts don't stop at stress reduction. Regular exercise, including kettlebell training, has been shown to improve cognitive function. This means better memory, sharper focus, and quicker problem-solving skills. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, promoting the growth of new brain cells and the release of neurotrophic factors. These are proteins that support the survival, development, and function of neurons. Essentially, working out with kettlebells can help keep your brain young and healthy. Moreover, the coordination and concentration required for kettlebell exercises can enhance your mental acuity. Learning new movements and perfecting your form keeps your brain engaged, improving your ability to concentrate and process information. Incorporating kettlebell workouts into your routine can also provide a structured and disciplined approach to physical activity, which can spill over into other aspects of life. You might find yourself more organized, better at managing time, and more efficient in your daily tasks. Daily exercise profoundly impacts emotional well-being. Kettlebell workouts enhance mood and happiness. Completing a challenging workout boosts self-worth. Exercise is a powerful tool for battling depression. Physical activity can be as effective as medication. The combination of exertion, endorphins, and social interaction enhances emotional health. Kettlebell workouts and busy schedules. Efficiency. One of the standout benefits of kettlebell workouts is their efficiency. In our fast-paced world, finding time to exercise can be a challenge. Fortunately, kettlebell training offers a high-intensity workout that can be completed in as little as 20 minutes a day. The compound movements in kettlebell exercises engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, providing a full-body workout in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional weightlifting or cardio sessions. This makes kettlebells an ideal choice for those with busy schedules looking to maximize their workout time. With kettlebell training, you can achieve a balanced workout that includes strength, cardio, and flexibility training, all in one session. This means you don't have to spend hours switching between different types of exercises. A single kettlebell routine can cover all your fitness bases. Moreover, the simplicity of kettlebell workouts means you can easily fit them into your day. Whether it's a quick session in the morning before work, a lunchtime workout, or a routine to unwind in the evening, kettlebells offer the flexibility to fit into any schedule. Another advantage of kettlebell workouts is their portability. Unlike bulky gym equipment, kettlebells are compact and easy to transport. This makes them perfect for home workouts or for taking to the office, park, or even on vacation. The ability to work out anywhere removes the barriers of time and location. You don't need a gym membership or expensive equipment to get a great workout. A single kettlebell can provide a versatile and effective training tool, allowing you to maintain your fitness routine no matter where you are. This portability also means you can stay consistent with your workouts. Whether you're traveling for business or pleasure, you can easily pack a kettlebell and continue your fitness regimen. This consistency is key to achieving long-term results and reaping the full benefits of daily kettlebell workouts. Furthermore, the simplicity of kettlebell exercises means you don't need a lot of space. A small area in your living room, hotel room, or office is enough to perform a variety of exercises. This makes kettlebell training accessible and convenient for everyone, regardless of their living situation. Supporting data, evidence, and studies. Research shows kettlebell training improves strength, endurance, and cardiovascular health. An 8-week program saw a 70% strength increase and 13.8% aerobic capacity boost. A 20-minute kettlebell workout can burn up to 400 calories, similar to running a 6-minute mile. Significant improvements in core strength and dynamic balance were noted. Regular kettlebell training can reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety by up to 30%. Exercise boosts endorphin levels and reduces cortisol, improving mental health. Kettlebell workouts offer a comprehensive approach to fitness and well-being. Embrace the kettlebell lifestyle. In conclusion, incorporating daily kettlebell workouts into your routine can lead to transformative changes in both your body and mind. From building strength and endurance to enhancing flexibility and balance, the physical benefits are profound. Additionally, the mental benefits, including stress reduction, improved cognitive function, and better emotional well-being, make kettlebell training a holistic approach to fitness. The efficiency and portability of kettlebell workouts mean that even those with the busiest schedules can find time to exercise. The supporting data and studies further validate the effectiveness of kettlebell training, highlighting its potential to improve overall health and fitness. So, why not give it a try? Embrace the kettlebell lifestyle and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Whether you're looking to build muscle, lose weight, reduce stress, or simply feel better, kettlebell workouts offer a versatile and effective solution. Swing into action today and transform your life one kettlebell swing at a time.